Greetings to all. Students, it's examination time. You must be stressed. Exams for you are almost custom designed to be unpleasant. You all must have experienced the situation when just after seeing the paper you blanked out. Even after reading the chapter again and again, you were not able to recollect the answer at the time of exam. On the night before the examination, you had a panic attack, not because you were not prepared, but you felt there is so much still left to study. Why there is so much tension, worry when it comes to exam? Why do we have that fear and phobia for exam? Today, I, Ekta Nautiyal, is going to share few tips on how to develop a positive attitude towards exam. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to respected Madam Principal for providing me an opportunity to be a spokesperson in this motivational session. Have you ever tried to find the reason why do you fear exam? It's simple. We are afraid of the consequences. Will I pass the exam? Will I be able to meet up my parents' expectation? What if I fail? Let me remind you, exams are not conducted to fail you. They are just a way to check out your knowledge and skills. They are a wonderful way to know your strengths and weaknesses. They are litmus of our abilities. This fear and anxiety of exam is just in our brain. A small change in our attitude or way we look at it can make a huge difference. Let us look at different situations and see the ways to overcome our fear. Prepare well for your examination. You keep things under the last minute. Keep on postponing your learning work. I will do it tomorrow. Believe me, students, this tomorrow never comes. Your entire syllabus gets piled up and then you study day and night. It is too much load for your brain. When you try to recollect the things during exam, you fail. What can be done in this situation? Prepare yourself right from the beginning. Fix the time and study regularly. So there would be no rush and panic at the last moment. When the exams are near, we push ourselves a lot. We continuously study. We don't eat properly. We don't take adequate sleep. This can result in us getting saturated. We are physically and mentally stressed out. It is not good for your exams. So it is important to take short breaks while studying. Relax yourself. Do some physical activities like exercise, meditation, listen to the music. All this will relax your mind and your concentration power will increase. Never compare your preparation with anyone. Every individual capacity is different. We always try to match up with our friends. We frequently call or check on our friends how much they have completed their syllabus. The problem arises if your friend has finished the revision of 4 chapters in 1 hour and you have done only 2 chapters. You panic and rush through the chapters to reach your friend's pace. Relax. Go at your pace. Never compromise on the quality. Always understand the concept. In theory paper like history, political science, we many times fail to recollect some answers and get stuck. This is because you have learned the concept by heart without understanding it. If you have understood the concept, you can surely write the answers in your own words. Most common problems faced by students are dizziness, sweating, and nervousness before the starting of exam. In such a situation, don't panic. Close your eyes and do deep breathing. Pray to God. Just say, I can do it. I am prepared. The paper will be easy. I will attempt all the questions. It will relax your body and mind. Even if you find the question paper difficult, don't panic. you will lose your concentration power and decision ability. There are many questions which you can do it. Attempt those questions. By doing this, you will gain confidence and your mind will be calm. Later, attempt those left questions. You will find now your approach in solving those questions is different. Just remember, fear is in our mind. Learn to overcome it through your positive attitude. Whenever you feel nervous and weak, just put your hand near your heart and say those three magical words of the movie Three Idiots. All is well. I can do it. So in this positive note, I end up my session expecting you will try to change your approach towards examination.